Hey guys, and welcome to another makeup tutorial. I'm going to start by applying Vaseline all over my baby hairs and brow so that latex and spiricum won't pull on them later. Now I am lining where I want the wound to be, and I am looking at a reference picture to have an idea of the shape that I want. Now grab your spiricum or any other adhesive and spread it all around the line you just made. I'm also going to spread it inside the wound because I'm going to add more wax in there later. While it dries, grab your scar wax and start sculpting. You'll know when spiricum is ready when it feels tacky. I sculpted the wax into this worm-like shape, so it's easier to blend the edges, but make sure your wax is thin so it looks more realistic when blending out. Now grab your spatula and stick it in Vaseline to blend out the edges. I'm also going to use my finger to help blend the edges better. This is the stage where you want to spend most of your time to make it look more realistic. Now I'm using liquid latex to seal the edges. Make sure you test the latex beforehand to make sure you're not allergic. Also be careful with latex around your eyes. I'm adding more pieces of scar wax inside of the wound to make it look like flesh, and then sealing it again with latex to give it some extra texture. To paint, I'm going to use alcohol activated palettes. For these, you're going to need 99% alcohol, not less. I'm starting out with some skin tones to even out my skin with the wax. Then I'm going in with reds to line the wound. Make sure you don't paint the entire wound in red because we want to have different textures. The painting part is really up to you. I am only using 2 shades of red, and since the wax has already a fleshy tone, I'm not changing it much. I am now using my finger to dab some color around the wound to make my skin look irritated. Now let's finish this off with Scab Blood. I am applying it where I want the wound to look deeper. Just grab a chunk of blood, and I find it easier to apply with a toothpick. And then with a brush, I am adding some more in the wound and on my skin. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.